video, please subscribe the channel. Student, today we discuss about the next topic, similar triangle of the chapter Triangle, 9th standard, Mathematics part 2. Now, what is meant by similar triangles? In these two triangles, suppose the angles are equal and the sides are in proportion. Angles are equal or congruent and sides are in proportion. Then these two triangles are called as similar triangle. Now I repeat here, look carefully. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if angle A is equal with angle P, B is equal with angle Q, C is equal with angle R. Look at this figure, angle A equal to P, B equal to Q, angle C equals to R. And sides are in proportion, means that AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, AC upon PR. Then look carefully, AB upon PQ is 4 upon 2, means that 2 upon 1. Then BC upon QR 10 upon 5, means that 2 upon 1. And this is AC upon PR 8 upon 2, 8 upon 4, means that 2 upon 1. Means that all these three sides are in proportion to as to 1. I have to take one figure here. Therefore, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR are called as the similar triangles, because angles are equal or congruent, then and sides are in proportion. Written, then triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar is written as triangle ABC. This sign indicate for similar with triangle PQR. Now then, second point, if the corresponding angles of two triangles are equal or congruent, then the two triangles are similar. Then next point is, third point, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion and corresponding angles are congruent. Okay, we take the next practice set. Practice set 3.5. The first question is, if triangle XYZ is similar with triangle LMN, write the corresponding angles of the two triangles and also write the ratio of the corresponding sides. Now its solution, answer. First one is the given that triangle XYZ is similar with triangle LMN. I would write its given. Now student, we have to find out the first, the corresponding angles. So I have write here corresponding angles of similar triangle. Now here is corresponding angles are equal or congruent. We take as angle X is congruent with angle L, angle Y is congruent with angle M, angle Z is congruent with angle N. You also write also equal also. X is equals to N, Y is equals to M, and Z is equals to also N. Then we have to find out its corresponding sides. I have write here corresponding sides of similar triangle. Now here student, look at these corresponding sides. At that time, by using one-to-one correspondence XYZ with LMN, then first I have to take XY upon LM. This ratio XY upon LM is equals to second and third vertex forming the segment YZ upon here is MM. And third ratio, first and last point is XZ upon take first and last in that LN. This is the corresponding sides of the similar triangle. All of you know that corresponding angles are congruent or equal and the corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay, we take the second question. Question second. In triangle XYZ, XY is 4 cm, YZ is 6 cm, XZ is 5 cm, XYZ is similar with PQR, PQ is 8 cm, then find the lengths of remaining sides here. Now its answer is, so simple, look carefully. Here is triangle XY YZ is similar with triangle PQR. This is given here. Now, then all of you know that, sorry, here is also given XY is equals to 4 centimeter, YZ is equals to 6 centimeter, XZ 5 centimeter, PQ is equals to 8 centimeter. Now student, if these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore, XY upon first two PQ, second and third YZ upon second and third QR, then X and Z upon PR. The reason is that corresponding sides of similar triangle. Now students, substitute this value. XY is 4 upon PQ is given here 8 is equals to YZ is 6, QR is find out here, XZ is 5 and PR is find. Here is from given. Okay, therefore by using this first I have taken 4 upon 8 is equals to 6 upon QR. Then by cross multiplication 4 into QR is equals to 6 into 8 by cross multiplication. Then this 4 goes to denominator here. Therefore QR is equals to 6 into 8 upon 4. Simplify by using 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Therefore QR is equals to 6 into 2. Therefore QR is equals to 12 centimeter. Then we can find out the value of PR by using this ratio. 4 upon 8 is equals to 5 upon PR. Again by cross multiplication 4 into PR is equals to 5 into 8 by cross multiplication. Then 4 goes to denominator, therefore PR is equals to 5 into 8 upon 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Therefore PR is equals to 5 into 2. Means that PR is equals to 10 centimeter. Therefore answer in full sentence. Here is the remaining sides of this triangle PQR is QR is 12 centimeter and PR is 10 centimeter. Okay, we take the next question. Question number 3. Draw the sketch of a pair of similar triangles, label them, show their corresponding angles by the same size and show the length of the corresponding sides by the numbers in proportion. Its answer is so simple question. Look carefully, draw the two triangles which is the similar. Suppose that this is the one triangle, triangle ABC, and this is another triangle PQR. Now then I have to label them by using identical mark. Suppose that this angle A is congruent with angle P, angle B is congruent with angle Q, and angle C is congruent with angle R. And the corresponding sides are in proportion. Suppose here is sides we take here. Suppose that this is the 10 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter, then this is 4 centimeter. Suppose this is 12 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. Then these two triangles mean that here angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, angle C is equals to angle R, and this ratio means that AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to AC upon PR. Therefore, these two triangles ABC is similar with triangle how much? PQR. Can you understand this? Okay. We have to draw only this figure here for this question. Thank you.